So I wanted to make a quick video this morning just showing the opportunities that came up this morning here. And I had decided last night that I wasn't going to take any more trades today until the new day starts later on today at 5 o'clock because I had lost 3 trades in a row last night, and I lost a few trades before that because, like I told you, I was up 61 pips. I ended up just up 2 pips at the end of the day, and then today I'll actually lose about 25 pips. So I set a limit of 25 pips for myself daily. If I lose that amount, then I have to quit trading. So as usual, when you don't trade, you miss the opportunities, across the board. So here's just the charts I look at here. And again, what happened yesterday was because I started to lose patience, I started taking trades that only pulled back to the 50-day, to below the 50-day. And the rule in my mind is always the 200-day. Here's the 200-day down here, the magenta one. But I started taking trades that pulled back to the 50-day, and I had some luck with that one trade. I got 40 pips off it, so I took some more trades. But then, they ended up losing. So I think the main thing is you just have to stick with the pullbacks to the 200-day moving average to make the percentage of wins where it needs to be. So this one here didn't pull back this morning. Same thing with GA. Okay, same thing here with GB. There was no trades in that one. EN. Now, there is a, and you would probably agree with this. Here's the 200-day right here. And, again, right here, EN comes down, doesn't get near the 200-day. Tries to give a signal, but doesn't give a signal here. And then it just misses the 200-day. This is probably close enough. These two right here are probably close enough, but we'll have to keep an eye on that. But if you do say, okay, that's close enough to the 200-day, right here, there's 2 bull candles that cross and close over all the moving averages. So you get a signal to buy right there, and that moves up about 33 pips. You could get 33 pips, anywhere from 20 to 30 pips on that one. Then it comes back down. I think, like I said, it gets close enough right here. And then it gives another buy signal right here on this candle. And that could give you another 19, so another 15, 10 to 15 pips, probably depending on when you get out there. So there's 2 opportunities right there. Even though it does not touch the 200, I mean, that's probably close enough. I mean, we'd have to have like a certain pip range. If it comes within 5 pips of the 200-day, I don't know. But anyway, here's EU. Now, EU, this is an example of the short side, but this is an example of a failed trade, a failed signal. So this pulls back above the 200-day here, and then right here it does give a signal to go ahead and short it. But this one we would lose, obviously. It pulls back up above the 200-day. So that would be a loss. AJ, however, here this morning pulls back to the 200-day right here. So it's a shorting opportunity. And again, we're looking for 2 red candles in a row to close and cross above all the moving averages on the way down to give us a signal. And it looks like probably this candle right here, right? So I don't know, the one right before it looks like it crosses them all too. So probably this candle right here, and we have an opportunity to get 17 pips, so anywhere from 10 to 12 pips, depending on where we get out there. But that's a good trade right there. Then we have UJ, and UJ I actually did look at this morning, and I said I could have got in. It would have been a little bit late. I would have gotten in like right here. And so I said, no, I'm not doing any trades, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, UJ pulls back to the 200-day. It gives a signal to buy right here. And so if you get in right at that point, you're looking at 42 pips on the way up there to the top. So That's another one that could have given us 30 to 40 pips. UJ. EA is, I believe, the same way. EA pulls back here this morning. If you go by the one this morning, you could look at this one right here. Pulls back to the 200-day. Gives a clear signal right here. 2 bull candles closing above all the moving averages right here. And it moves up about 22 points. So we probably would get out of that at some point after 15-20, right? Comes back down to the 200-day again right here. Big candle here, kind of scary, right? Because that's a big candle, and there's the second one that closes above all the moving averages. But you know, you can ride that up for another 25 pips before it starts to drop. So I mean, just what I seen this morning, I decided not to take any trades because I already have the 3. I already had 3 losses today, which was more than 25 pips. So I said that's it till later on today, when you know, at 6 o'clock today. But anyway, there was clear opportunities there today in the market. There was nothing in that one, nothing in that one, nothing in that one. If we decided to take the EN trades that came very close to touching the 200-day, right? We had 2 opportunities there. The EJ trade was a failed breakout, and that would have lost for us. But we would have had more than enough opportunity here with AJ, UJ, and EA. So just to show you what we're doing there again, the blue is the 10-day, the yellow is the 34, the red is the 50, the magenta is the 200. And looking for pullbacks again to the 200-day, either on the long or short side. And then we're looking for it to come back and have 2 candles in a row for buys, 2 bull candles in a row cross above all the moving averages. And that's the buy signal on the way up. And on the way down, it is 2 red candles. After it pulls back to the 200-day here, 2 red candles crossing down below all the moving averages and taking it on the way down. But as you see, it's normally good for about 10 to 15 pips. But on occasion, it does get to 30 to 40. So just check that out, see if it makes any sense to you. I didn't look at the stochastic. I do usually check the 15-minute chart for the stochastic to make sure that it's not overbought or oversold. It's usually so if we look at this one here, for instance, this is the signal candle right there. If we go to the 15-minute chart, let's see, I'm on the 5-minute chart. I put the candle right there, right? And so, I don't know. For some reason, it's not showing up here on the 15-minute chart. But anyway, that's kind of what I'm looking at. I missed some opportunity here this morning, but I decided not to take any trades till later on. So, talk to you later. Bye.